The systemic constellations, you'll observe them not only when you are doing the constellations themselves, not only when you are playing with the dolls or with our papers, you'll discover and observe them in real life. If you'll see that every time a family is taking some pictures, they put their children in between the parents, and you have one parent at one edge, the other parent at the other edge, and the children are just in between them. That also shows what is happening in their constellation. It shows that the children are separating actually the parents, and that is not their position. The same, if you'll observe, for example, a person that is often absent, is often looking into nothingness, and maybe you have seen this, that somebody looks and is like outward, it's outward, and maybe you even talk to the person and the person is absent. If you observe this with a person, it means in the constellation of that person, there are losses, deaths, and the soul of that person is absent because it feels that loss so powerful, in such a powerful way, that the person have difficulty in staying here in this world, real world, the world where people are alive. The same you'll observe if a person is constantly tired, constantly wants to sleep. It also shows something about what is happening in the constellation. It shows about the soul of that person is so burdened by the constellation that it has difficulty on staying awake. The same you'll observe if a person is always changing work, it's always changing the job and career. It shows something in the constellation. So constellations, we observe them not only when we are doing the session, you will observe them in real life, and you'll be able to read them in a real life too. If you observe in the real life, there is a person that is often angry, full of anger. It shows an imbalance in the constellation system. Very often it is related to some deaths, to some unfairness, to some abortions of brothers and sisters.